Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how can you host your Django project render.com to make it available online to your users. Now, there are few steps involved in this. The first one is that you need to write the name of the your website or the web server, the web service, sorry, in the allowed host. So this is the name that I will give on the render.com. So in the settings file, you have to make these changes. The next thing is that you need to install G. Now the next step is to install G-Unicorn, pip install Unicorn on your terminal, and then you need to update the requirements file. The next step is to update your GitHub repository. And in the previous lecture, I told you how to create a GitHub repository. If you are confused over here at this point, you can see my previous video. And you need to push the latest updates to the repository. So these are the steps that you need to do. Then we will go to the render.com and we will create a web server, a web service there. So let's do it practically. I will directly go to the prompt, and the first step that, as I told you, that you will go to the this is my project folder. Inside the project, I have the settings.py file, and over here I will add this line of code, that is Django beginner course.render.com. Remember that this web service name I will give to the to my web service on render.com. So this was the first step. The next step was to pip install G-Unicorn, pip install G-Unicorn. It will install it, but since I have already installed it, yes, it is already requirement already satisfied. So this is the next step, pip install G-Unicorn. The next thing is to pip freeze requirements .txt. I have updated the requirements.txt file, and if you see over here, it is updated now. It has added the G-Unicorn in the requirements. Now once this is updated, the next step is to commit the version. So let me call it as, for example, this is anything you want. For example, I have given it a 6th version, so I will commit it. There is nothing to commit. And the last step is to get push origin main, and it will push the main. Everything is up to date, but if it is not up to date, then it will push the repository and update the GitHub repository, and you will get the updated repository over here. So once you have the updated repository, we will now upload, or we will now host our app on the render.com. So just straight away go to the render.com and create an account. If you don't have an account created, there is also an option for the free account. You can go. Since I already have an account, so I will directly go to the dashboard. At the top right corner, I click on the dashboard. Now this is the main dashboard. Click on the new button over here at the top right again, and from the new services, I will select the web service. So if you want to host your Django app, click on the web service. Now when you click on the web service, there are different options. For example, you have the option for the get provider, public get repository. You can have from public get repository or from an existing image. Since we are getting it from the get provider, we will select it, and you see here are all the repositories that are already connected with my account. So I will select the Django beginner course. This is the name of the repository over here, if you see it This is the name of the repository. So I will select it. It is Python 3. And the rest, everything I will leave it as it is. I will select the free version. And in the G Unicorn, I will say over here app colon my app, because my app is the let us leave it as it is. I will select the free option. Let us deploy the service. Now here is a log which will be shown to you. Now it is giving you all the steps: checking out the commit using Python, downloading G Unicorn, update pip install, Django install this, a new release of this, uploading the build. You can check from the log what's going on. Build successfully. Now it is deploying. Let's see. Takes some time to deploy. Running this. Where is the problem now? No module named. You see? Now there is no module named app. As a I was wondering over here that this should be not the something like this. So let's change it. Let's change the settings. Where are the settings? How can we change these settings? Let me check. Yes, here we have the settings. In the settings, we have to make it as my app, because if you see here, we have the settings.py file and we have name of the app as my app. So I will make this as, I will edit it and make it my app. Save changes. And then it is now building again. You see this over here. It is building again, checking out the commit. It is uploading the build successfully, deploying. Let's hope for the best. Come on, please. Now a full course on this Django for beginners course is also available on Udemy. What's going on? Let's see. Let me check again. Let us change this as well. Building again. Build successfully, deploying. What's the problem? Let me take some help from the Django website. Oh, it is now the command is unicorn myproject.wsgi. This is the command. Let us try this one. I will edit it. Gunicorn my project.wsgi save changes. I hope this will work. This should work. Oh, I think it's working, deploying. I think it worked. Your service is live. That's it. So here, if you see your service is live, it means your web service is now up and running. So if I click on this URL, I should have my service running. Let's see. Yes, it takes some time. So when you refresh it after a minute, your site is now up and running live. So you can share this URL with your customers and they can now use your app. So this is how you can make your app, your Django app live on render without any cost. If you want to have a better service, then you can change the your subscription over here. You can change it to another subscription. For instance, if I go to my um, if I go to the main site, now you see this is now deployed and this is now running. You can change it to upgrade it. You can go to the settings and upgrade it. So this is how we can have our web service, we can have our project available on the render.com. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. And this course is also available on Udemy. And this for the beginners is I think this was the end of the course. For the advanced users, I will try to add some more topics. Thank you very much.